Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bitcoin analysts who called 2018 bottom once bet winter may see $10 BTC. The winter of 2022 and 2023 is more than a head change for politicians and EU citizens. Crypto holders worldwide may see a tangible impact, says the central fleet. Bitcoin or BTC could dip another 10% from current levels if the upcoming winter provides a major test for Europe. That was the conclusion of a veteran crypto market analyst this week, with BTC or USD failing the reclaimed $20 support. In an interview with Cointelegraph, Flip, creator of trading suite Decentrader, forecasts a potential BTC or price bottom coming in at as low as $10 in 2022. As the European energy crisis intensive risk asset face a major test, he believes, and the extent to which crypto suffers depend considerable on how diplomacy can win out to avert a major emergency into 2023. The figures are not just pie in the sky. At the height of the last halving cycle bear market in 2018, Flip perfectly timed the market bottom as BTC or USD put in a floor of $3. Cointelegraph reached out for more details on how the coming cold season might impact an already fragile Bitcoin trading environment. Cointelegraph, you pretty much nailed the $3 bottom late cycle. Is another leg down likely, and what price do you think is justifiable as a bottom this time around? Is it stunned? The price of Bitcoin is heavily correlated to the legacy market, in particular the Nasdaq, which we know is under hook pressure due to the Federal Reserve monetary policy. So this time it's a bit different due to the high correlation and external economic forces. Last time it was pretty easy due to the volume attributed to the $3 bottom and 18.5% correction. This time the volume base is around $11. Does not have much time-based history. A loss rests on the winter and the dynamic with how Europe deals with the winter. I expect a bad winter dynamic to result in testing the previous volume range hikes. The look between NATO and Russia seems imperative with what happens next. The sooner that happens, the higher the low for Bitcoin. How is the current cycle different from the previous bear market? Is macro playing a much bigger role this cycle? As mentioned above, the correlation with legacy is paramount. Bitcoin has not exited in a stiff inflation post-economy, and it is behaving as a risk-on asset rather than an inflation hedge. Therefore, it is different this time to some extent. However, we are correcting within the normal time frame and the usual percentage change to normal for where we are. So it's same but different for now. Firstly, if you use the Bitcoin cycle starting point being the actual halving of supply emission, that Bitcoin normally exceeds the bear market after 1,000 days or so, which would be Q1, after which the new narrative begins. Secondly, we will be past the winter from a game theoretical point of view. It seems likely that if things are bad but Europe navigates the winter economically, that thing will look very positive for most of the following year, whereas if things are bad, it increases the probability. Okay, maybe that's all from me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.